Bro, what in the world is Evo Furnace, bro? It's so overpowered. I was about to win this game 1-0. And this guy, I was really about to win. I did pushes after I did push after push. This game, right here. He goes Royal Recruits first play. I go for a hog first play. I defend with a firecracker. And defeat those two Royal Recruits there. He puts the hog. I put a Tesla really far. One Royal Recruit locks on. And then the other two I defend perfectly. And that's fine. I go for a P.E.K.K.A. at the bottom. And he goes Goblin Gang. I go Snowball or Furnace, like that. And then I save up and I go for a Witch. No, a Hog. Or Fireball. No, Fireball and Snowball. I defeat that. And that was a good push, but I only got one Firecracker to lock in. He did Royal Recruits. I did a Hog and a Firecracker, and he did a Royal which is Boss Bandit. Wow. I did a Witch, and he did a Calculated Zap. Zap my skeletons, and he got a connection. Pretty good. I go with another push. Wait, yeah, I go in for another push. I evolved Firecracker and P.E.K.K.A. and then I go in with the Hog, snowball that, go in. He does a Royal Recruits. I do another P.E.K.K.A. at the bridge, and guess what? He has Evolved Furnace. Bro, what am I supposed to do against this card? Look, he attacks my P.E.K.K.A. Another Fire Spirit. Attacks P.E.K.K.A. Another Fire Spirit. I fireball that. He attacks. Another Fire Spirit. He has 3 Fire Spirits. He has 4 Fire Spirits. Buddy, what are you talking about? What? And then I die to the Hog. Bro, what is Evolved Furnace? If I go to the watch. If I go back. Let me just go back real quick. What is this? Hold on. My P.E.K.K.A. gets absolutely destroyed by all those Fire Spirits. Look at how many Fire Spirits. Each Fire Spirit is 1 Elixir. A Furnace goes down. 4 Elixir. 1 Elixir. 2 Elixir. 2 Fire Spirits. 3 Elixir. 4 Elixir. 5 Elixir. 6 Elixir. 7 Elixir. 8 Elixir. Oh, 9. There's 9. There's 10. 11. He makes 11. He has made 11 total Fire Spirits. A level 15 Fire Spirit is a lot of damage, bro. If I go to my level 15 first, it's not evolved, obviously. It does 301 damage times 11. That is 3,311 damage. Bro, what am I supposed to do against that? I mean, it doesn't kill my P.E.K.K.A, but the fact that Furnace also attacks, it's just crazy. What is Hot Spawn Speed? What is this? Yeah, this is so stupid. Like, I don't even know what Mega Knight's boosted in Battle Round, but yeah.